Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning the ignition to accessory or on, so the Honda infotainment powers up. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it discoverable. This lets the car find the device. Make sure any previous phone connections are disconnected because the system prioritizes active pairings. Also, have the PIN code handy. Many Hondas use 0000 or 1234, so you can enter it quickly when prompted and avoid timeouts during the next step. You now navigate the infotainment, tap Settings, then Phone or Bluetooth, and choose Add Bluetooth Device. While the system scans, watch your phone list for the Honda unit name and select it. Once selected, the car and phone will show a matching code. Verify they match because this prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. After confirming, accept prompts on both the car screen and your phone. If asked, allow contacts and call history sync so hands-free calling works. You finish by accepting permissions for contacts and audio, then set the media source to Bluetooth and make a quick test call to confirm the microphone and speaker work. Once paired, the car will auto-reconnect when both devices are on. If it does not, try one key troubleshooting tip. Delete the Honda entry from your phone and the phone entry from the car. Then reboot the phone and repeat pairing. This clears corrupted profiles and usually fixes persistent connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.